these bad boys. Yeah, I like that. And then my toes are cold. So I'm assuming the final floor. A little bit more comfortable. Today I'm going to be blowing my burps into these giant balloons. Where did they go? I'm going to be inhaling today. If you don't know what the inhale technique is for burping, it is an advanced technique. I get asked when I learned how to inhale, and I learned how to inhale very young. I may have just always been able to inhale. I think that I learned it from practicing burping on command whenever I was very young. So I don't remember like learning it or hearing about it. I've just always been able to do it. It's like making me almost breathe my burp air back in, which is kind of gross. That's kind of gross. Taking my water break. A little outside one for you. mouthful. I just hit myself in the nose. It's my burp balloon. Pop. I already pre-blew these up, but I'm going to blow them up again just so that they're a little bit easier for my burp to blow up. It's alright. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Okay, I'm gonna turn this and sit down. Thank you. I think I could probably stream Undertale, or there's another one I really like, but I don't think I want to. I don't want it to be like a burp thing if I make videos about it. I think I just would want to stream and play it, which is Stray Cat Crossing. That's one of them, but also Witch's House is pretty good. I just like pixel RPGs, and I think my computer it can handle a pixel RPG. Hello. Oh, it's late at night. I have a coffee. I'm happy. My balloon is halfway full. I need to drink some water. That's how much gas I've just released. That's like how full my belly was from that inhale. Isn't that crazy? Isn't it weird? Ah! How big my belly is? I really only that big? That's crazy. I guess that's about right. I could see that being like how big my belly gets whenever I let my belly be soft. I'm just trying to entertain. You get what I mean? Yeah, this wasn't meant to be a long live stream. I'm gonna do this for a little bit longer. Just a wee bit. In the hopes that there's other people who have subscribed, who see my notifications, want to come over here and get on. Otherwise, I will be leaving in about 5 minutes. It's a short stream. And yeah, it's been nice to hang out with you so far. I'm not doing video calls for very much longer, but if you want to catch a video call tomorrow, they are $15 for 10 minutes. And I usually do them through Instagram. I can do them through Google like video calls too. You get 10 minutes of burps and you can talk to me. You're really nice and chatty, so I don't know if you want to come talk to me, but if you want to come talk to me, it's only $15 to come get burped on in a video call. So